Kasha. Bounce pass to Kasha. Kasha to the rim. May foul and one. Inside pull-up jumper. The good follow-up shot. Bakit for 2 tie game. Kasha sumigsag. Kasha reverse layup. Kasha bakit for 2. And here's number 9. Oriano bumangga. Pasok yun guys. Bumangga pa sa pader. Ito lang dito tayo ngayon sa Intertown ng Ilocos Sur. Semifinals para sa laban ng Narvacan at Tagudin. And here you go, jump ball, first ball possession, Narvacan. Pass on the inside, first blood, Kasha. Number 9. Inside throw, short. Ball possession, Tagudin, number 5. And just on the inside, pull-up jumper. The good follow-up shot, bakit for 2 tie game. And here's number 9. Oriano, bumangga. Pasok yun kahit bumangga pa sa pader. And 4-2. Tagudin up by 2. Kasha drives. Pinabitin of the glass. Tie game. And crosses the mid lane. Number 6 Valdez. Kasha. Kasha. Pull up jumper. Not good. Rebound number 22. The long pass. Number 23. Lace. Oops. Basket. 9 to number 3. Launch on 3. Bang! 3 ball. Baseball pass. Nauna na Kasha. Bullshit split pass. Bakit for 2. Hook pass to number 22. Sa 3. Bang! 4-point lead. Tagudin. Kasha to Kasha. Pass to the middle. Fix. Nakalusot. In and out. And a baseball pass, number 9. Pinasa po. Floater, pasok yan. Ang gandang pass. Kasha. Bounce pass to Kasha. Kasha to the rim. May foul and one. Cross pass, number 22. To the corner, number 24. 9. 5 sa 3. No good. Rebound, put back. The follow-up shot. Kasha with the ball. Kasha to the hoops, pinabitin na naman. Kasha. And here's number 24 sa gilid. Number 22, Mars. No good, Kasha. Kasha sumigsag. Kasha reverse layup. Kasha bakit for 2. And it's number 5 to number 9. Number 25 sa 3. No good, off target. Rebound, Kasha. Kasha bounce pass. It's Kasha. Oops! Into top board pa. Kasha. From the Kasha. Kicks out to Kasha. Babangga dito. Bakit? Narvacan looking for the receiver. The bounce pass to number 8. He drives to the middle. Fast. Yes, sir. And the number 11. Love pass to the middle. Pull-up shot. Here's number 25, Molina. Kasha spins. Pull-up jumper. No good. And a pass break. And one-on-one ang laban ni One Lace. And a good for 2. At the logo, dribbling the ball. And he attacks from the middle. Side steps, Lace. Won't go. And Kasha. Sinausa. And here's number 11. Bumangga na corner. Inbound number 24. He pass to number 11 between the legs. The crossover. He stops. Pistolen. And here's Kasha one-on-one with number 24. He slow-mo shot. And number 8 to the corner sa 3. That's the 11. And hook pass. Natapikan na naman. Naagawan. Na-recover. Pero na-recover sa kabila. Kasha pass. Offensive foul. Number 9. Natapikan na naman. And na-recover. Number 8. To the hoops of the glass. Bucket for 2. 22-27 score. To the corner fakes. One bounce. Sa gitna. Open for 3. Launch. No good. And a pass break is Kasha. Sumigsag. Kasha to the rim. Bucket for 2. Kasha dribbling the ball. Di diskarte. Atake mula sa gitna. He pass to the middle fires. And 1. Number 9. Pass number 19, number 9. Number 3. Other. Creating some space. Stops, picks. Pinasa, sakto sa loob. Tumira, pinabitin. No good. Rebound, Kasha. Kasha sumigsag, sumigway lace. Kasha lumipad, DC2. And here's number 3, crossover. Drives, supalpal. Fires. And 10-point lead. Narbakan floater. Soria for 2. And here you go, number 6. Attacks, stolen, baseball pass. Nauna na naman si Kasha, binitbit. Naka-split. Number 7. Pass on the inside. Yes. Kasha for 3. Bang! Kasha! Here's number 13, spins. Natapikan. Naagaw. And it's number 9, Soria. Number 17. Almost lost, recover. Number 12. Top lap pass, Kasha. And the finish. Kicks out.
Here's number 7 in Navarga.
Sa 3. Too strong. And the rebound. Pass break. Binit-bit. Reverse layup. And 1. Kasha. Deducts. Kasha step back. Fade away. Natapikan. And here you go. Bugo na bitin. Number 5. Pass to the corner. Sa gitna, pull-up jumper. Off the mark. And here's number 11. He spins. Kicks out. Soria attacks. Binangga. Grab. And here's number 6 to number 24. Ader. Ader. Bumangga na naman. Tumalsik na naman si Ader. And here 11. Pass. Bagay for 2. Liberato. Crossover. Here you go, stops for 3, Anastasio. Bang! 3-4. Pulls the ball to the corner. Bounce pass, finds the open man. Bucket for 2. And Kasha with the ball. Cross pass. Kasha. Between the legs. Sa gitna, Kasha. Fading away. No good. And he passed to number 22. Lumusot yung bola. And a drives, bumangga. Wala. Rebound. Uy. Soria. And sa 3. Too strong. Rebound. Collado. Sa gitna. Lace. Bucket for 2. Kasha long pass. Sakto yung reverse layup. Molina over 2. And bumangga. Uy! Hindi na tinag. And ball is stolen. In number 25, Liz. And 1. And sumisiksag spins. Creating space. Pinasa. To the corner. Supalpal. For the inbound. Spins. Stops, pull up J. Bucket. Molina. Pass to Kasha. Kasha stops. Kicks out to Kasha. Floater shot, short. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Putback shot and 1. There's a crossover. Sumisiksag. Stops. Pull up jumper. Bucket. And here's number 16. Kasha. Corner pass. Molina launches on 3. Too strong. Pass break. And 1-on-1. Please. Bucket for 2. Here's number 25. Number 16. Bounce pass. Pinasa pabalik hook pa. Shot. Bucket for 2. Number 24. Pass on the inside. Nagpo-bounce. Kicks out sa 3. Kasha. Sumiksag. Kasha out the rim. Easy bucket. Inside pass. Number 24. Kumaldag. Kicks out. Open for long 2. No good. Number 25. Molina. Fires off the window. Easy 2. Number 11. Pass to the middle. Bumalik. Fires. Bucket for 2. Liberato. 16 with the ball. To number 69. Attacking the defense. And a fire. Short rebound by the big man. Bucket for 2. And he attacks to the middle. Pull up jumper. Javier. Wala. Number 16. Bounce pass. Behind the between the legs. Inside pass. The love pass and the finish. Number 5. Number 11. Sa gitna. Number 8. Place. Bucket for 2. And there you go. Defense pinabitin. Wala. Follow up by number 5. And here's number 11. Bounce pass. Pass back. Nakalusot. Bucket for 2. Seconds to play. Bounce pass to the corner. Dumistansya. Picks. Step back for 3. Short. Reverse layup. Wala. Put back shot and the finish. To the corner. Pass back. 1 bounce. Bumalik lace. Yes sir. Number 12. Drives. Hook pass. Fires off the glass. Bucket for 2. Number 13. Laiko. Number 24. Sa 3. Rebound. Put back of the glass. Bucket for 2. Number 6. Valdez. Inside pass. Valdez. Fires. Easy 2. Natapikan. Naagaw. And here's number 6. Pass on the inside. Recover. Umaldag. Good. Dalawa yung gumadya. Bucket for sa gitna. Ayer. Tinasa. Here's number 19. Number 8. Umaldag. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. And here's team Narbacan. Attacks. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. Number 19. Sa gilid. Fade away. Bucket. Liberato. And to the rim. Tinasa pa. Picks. Hook shot. Pasok. Sa gitna to number 5. Sa 3. No good. Rebound. Narbacan. Valdez. Straight to the rim. Bucket for number 13. Pull up jumper. Bucket. 12 with the ball. Pass to the middle. Attack. Sidestep. Hook shot. No good. Rebound. Ang pinakamababang rebound. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3 points. At nagmamadali. Binitbit. Corner of pasok yan. Yes sir. Easy 2. And the long pass. Fires. Ooh, bang! Dunk! Bang! 3! End of the game. Congratulations, Narbacan.